Hi everyone, welcome back to my mukbang. Today I'm making 제육볶음, or I want to call it 제육볶음, but I'm putting a lot of different stuff in here, so it's kind of like my fusion way of enjoying my pork, I guess. Today I actually wanted to do just Korean grill, but I've been craving something spicy. I don't know why I'm craving spicy food. I really don't know, but yeah, I've been craving a lot of spicy, very just juicy, very saucy food. So I'm going to use my pork belly and I marinated it in some spicy sauce. If you guys want to know how I made the sauce, check out the description box. I'll have it in there. But yeah, I have that marinated with some onions, and I am going to add extra vegetables. I'm adding perilla leaves, some scallions, and hot green peppers. And I'm going to eat it with some perilla leaves on the side and some cheese. I actually wanted to film this a lot earlier, but I didn't have cheese at home. I should really keep stocking up on cheese because I always want cheese. So I think every time I'm like halfway done, I'm going to go buy another one when I remember it. I am going to also add some shrimp in there. Hey, excuse me. Add some shrimp in there just to try it out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start out with some sesame oil. Put it at like medium high right now. It smells so good. I think I could add one more, maybe. Yeah, I could add one more. More veggies. Okay, since the shrimps cook faster than the pork, I'll add them a little later so I don't overcook it. Now we wait. I'm going to add all these side stuff later, and I still have to add the cheese later too. Busy! We're so busy! Okay. Why do I do that? I feel like I always wear white whenever I'm eating something red. Why do I do that? Oh, he's so cute! I lower it a little bit, lower the heat. Going to add some. And add a little bit of extra sauce. A little bit. He's on my lap right now. Maybe he just missed. I don't know. I don't know. I'm always with him. Why are you so clingy today? Okay. Let the shrimps cook. Let's see how much that can cook. Man, this pork belly is fat. I like it. Because when I used to buy pork bellies to grill, they're so thin all the time. So thin. I didn't like that. But recently, they've been selling a lot of thicker cuts. And now I'm going to add my perilla leaves, green onions, and green peppers. Honestly, this sweater is so old and I don't really care for it, so if the red sauce gets on my sweater, I'm okay, but I mean, it's literally right here. And I'm afraid that's gonna splash on him. Ooh. And I got my drink. Some Starbucks water. See the leaves. Just push this guy. Nope, I can't. Okay. Mozzarella cheese. That's good. Okay. This is gonna be my eating chopstick today. Got a little spoon in the back too, so. Like the shrimp for sure. That is cooked. Oh yeah. Let's try one without. I'm sorry. Just some pork, like peppers and green onions. Ooh, it's hot. Okay. And then get a shrimp. I know that I'm not physically sharing this with you guys, but I'm sharing you guys my idea and recipe. You know, I'm so lucky. When I eat delicious food, I feel like a very, very lucky person. I know it doesn't take a lot to please me. I just kind of mix it around a little bit so it can melt better. Okay. Let's do one more. Should I add some cheese? Yes. Okay, it's gonna be a little hot. Oh my god. Okay. Some shrimp. Get some onions. Get like one pepper, I guess. Oh, these peppers are so spicy. Oh my gosh. Just gonna do 2 pork, but no shrimp this time. A little bit of pepper. Did I get enough cheese? I did. Oh my god. There goes my sweater. It's okay. Go this pretty lilies. I've been thinking a lot about relationships lately. It's interesting how when Tong and I started dating, nobody, well, not nobody, but so many of our friends, yeah, so many of our friends weren't dating. A lot of them were single. None of them were actually like a super committed relationship either. But it's so now that I think about it, it's so interesting how literally everybody is in a relationship. No, not everybody, but almost everybody is in a relationship. I feel like a lot of you guys can relate to this, but it's kind of crappy when if you're the only couple in your group of friends. It's really hard. But now that so many of our friends are dating, some of them are married, it's kind of nice to know that, they understand, well, we understand each other, just a lot of things that, good or bad things that we go through, we understand. We understand why people fight. We understand, well, if good things happen, we understand, we are happy for them. Like, we're happy with them because we know how it feels. Like, for example, when when Tong and I were the only, or like one of the few couples around us, it was really hard to do anything. Like planning an event or going to an event, planning a trip or anything was really, really difficult because, obviously they're single and they want to do certain things, but as couples, like we don't want to do certain things. So it was really, we kind of clashed a lot here and there, and like some of them treated us like as if we were single, like as if like they didn't like kind of accept the fact that we were dating. I just feel like that was like that. It's just many of them are like that. But eventually, you know, when people there eventually when more couples start to form, people understand just automatically, which is nice because they're on the same page as us. So even when we go on a couples trip, like how we did recently, it was really nice. we had so much fun that we didn't really have our personal time, like because we went with another one couple, and we kind of agreed on having our last night as, like, you know, separately, like you guys do your own thing, we do our thing, and we ended up just hanging out together because we were just having so much fun. But I'm just saying, like, when I brought up the idea, they were completely not just okay, they like wanted to do that too, you know, I think. But you know, if I let's say we went on a trip with, you know, Tong and I are a couple and we have a friend that's single, it just wouldn't work out, you know. Just I feel like I would be obligated to kind of keep them in company. Oh, if I mix rice in here. But that's an idea for you, not for me. I'm not gonna eat it with rice. I'm too full. I'm so full. Oh, it doesn't even look like I touched it. But I ate a lot. Okay, forgive me. Okay, I'm going to end the video here today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe and mukbang, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out my ASMR channel, my beauty channel, and Dongdaegiri's channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!